Sure, kama simthandile abamthanda bambiza ngayo simthandile noma umthandile. Bangibiza ngayo simthandile fethu. Today, sanada day, sanada thola, sabe sobabona. Bring it from umhlola fethu ekasi. There's nothing engiyenzayo. I just bring it from ekasi. Understand? Today I'm going one, sanada one. Sekota date angikho one today gcwele bafethu akazi bayagcwala abantu bafethu. So kale manje fellas and order your kota and do your thing. Angifaki one for today ngiphethe bani.
Don't direct so much doubt it on into coaching just compare but to skip far off the kettle of corruption issue.
In the end, I don't care whether you love me or you hate me, just as long as I win.
There we go, stupid yeah with love. Now I'm getting money, I can never get enough. She said la mala, came up from the God.
Tell me, how do you feel today?
Njengoba uveze ikota kanje. You showing them quarters here.
Yeah.
Ngifuna bazothi indlala ekhulumisa ngangijwayele kahle.
Cala nithule guys, siyanicela. Bafethu nizoshifta la ifanele behave. Please. Okay? Please. Okay, nganami hari ngaleyo nto abangani bami yabona. Ngisabafuna uba professor lamakoti, you understand? Yabona, it's okay.
Ngithi mina kwena. La bathi le kota le indlala kwasha kwacima. Ngangijwayele kabi mina, ngilambi mina.
Asilambi.
Mara ngithanda, mara ngangijwayele kabi.
Ngasijwayele kabi wena. Asilambi, okay. First of all ngiyam train mara njani usuku lwakho?
Yeah, I'm halfway grand, halfway not grand. When you right.
Mina I don't wanna know, I'm okay. It's another quarter date, it's another day, it's another dollar. I understand. Go. Let's go get another man my friends. Mtana for you.
Hola. Fueron set.
Guys, hello guys. Bentala kancane dencela. Sure. Eish, ngiphetha amavanda labo unokwanda. Sithi kusiksi. Yansol. Okay, manje I'm trained today. I train. Mina ngimnandi nje I understand. How do you feel? Are you okay though? You life injured by the way.
Life ngiphethe grand mnganami.
Asakwazi ntwana masakubona kancane mnganami.
Nizongibona kanjani? Ngihlala Alexander phela.
You know what kunento senzeke so? Kunento kuthiwa first bite in quarter. Yebo? First bite in quarter. Ikota uhlule kayi2. Uyaychuzela wena ubuthandana, uthande iphi side. Kuthiwa first bite in quarter. Uyaychuzela wena uba understand. Then you ready. Ufune iphi wena mnganami? Any half oyifunayo. Piki mambelane piki.
Kumele ngishaye first bite.
First bite.
Okay, here we go. Focus.
Manje fellas bafethu zokale anytime bakuthola.
Sisbo.
Yo,
Ingayedeni.
singayedeni. Tshela mina renga nambo lina ngawesaba ama chips akhona yonke into ikhona baba test. Test ama chips ngana ungesabi. Thathe back. Test ama chips. Out of 10. 6.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Why 6 though? This is the best score in Alex right now.
I've had bad.
You have bet? Press the part of what testing my chips. That's the reason. Test my chips. Then you're gonna tell me. After chips is after chips. Trust me. After chips is.
It's in your file with content yakho. Ikota is not about my chips. It's about the whole thing combined. Just the chips liwan.
Zama chips. Don't talk too much. Zama chips. I want to talk about Zama chips liwan. Only one chips. Oh. Okay. Okay, 8. Yeah. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, I'm lying. It's a 10.
It's a 10 though. Ngitshela after my shift yonke into yashintsha mnganami. First understand one thing though. Why uzibiza ngo director ama director abantu abalawulayo endaweni, abantu abaphethe indawo, abantu abaphethe gas. Do you feel like uphethe Alexander that's why uzibiza ngo director?
But anga next man.
Why uzibiza ngo director there?
Controlling.
You controlling. Controlling someone's hand or uphezi nje. Ucontrola kuphi ama budget ini? Ucontrola va. Ungasabi mntana mama chips nje khona.
Controlling nje ngiyathumana mina nawe ngakuthuma uphuthu.
Yini unemali yini mawuthumana amaphutha phela abantu abathumana amaphutha abantu abanemali.
Hayi imali akusinkinga.
Imali akusinkinga.
Hayi ukuthi nginayo mara akusinkinga.
Okay, umuntu ongakwazi umuntu oqala mhlawumbe usuke ke lighting. Umuntu ongakwazi umuntu oqala today ukwazi kanjani uthume ngani?
There's no way ukuthi awungazi.
Okay umuntu okwazi ukuthi wazi ngani wena nocabanga waziwa ngani Alex?
Yazi le intro ethi don't direct automatic double T don't into ukuthi njengasuka mphansi. Says a lot. Ne power leyo intro.
Yeah. So everyone, do you think everyone Alex Chaqava?
Ithi ngibo mawungangazi you're not the target market. Simple kanjalo.
So zama ukuthi kimi la Alex kunabantu vele abangakho kwa market yakho.
Hayi abangaziyo abangangazi ama small fry vele so
Oh shit, that's all I can say.
if you don't know me you're a small fry. We are not on the same league.
Arithwani.
Hayi we are not competing. There's anything dlala nesihonya lami.
Awesabi futhi egcineni.
Ungisaba bayebanani.
Okay.
Banani.
Ufuna understand something because allegedly akusho mina wazi next allegedly bathi most amantombazana kayi so wathintile la allegedly akusho mina mnganami ama chips ngesabi
Bathi ngithinte ini.
allegedly most amantombazana la phezulu so wakwabanyile la Alex
Hayi bangazonginyela mina ngento zobusathani.
awuzokwabanya Tole.
No ngingakwabanya mara not wonke amantombazana la.
most yapi
Not most.
out of 10
Not even
5%
out of 10.
most amantombazana so wakwabanyile la out of 10 ucabanga wathi just be honest to us
5%.
damn so shayile aphi Alex yonke you dangerous guy in Alex. It's okay. You know what? I like that for you. Now, I have a question. How was life in high school? How was life in high school?
It was nice.
Ubudume ngani high school?
Bengibaphethe bengaduma
Uphethe amantombazana.
Hayi amantombazana isikolo sonke.
Yeah. Bukheleza ba?
Not view high school.
Let's view.
Angibona ukuthi nyonywe bengibaphethe.
Lawulo.
Yeah, khali sami sicathulo.
Usabaphethe lo. Since u director namanje.
Hayi ngiqedile isikolo ngisedile nabantwana abancane.
Sengiyasho after school manje usabaphethe na. Awuthini abantwana abancane?
Manje sengiphethe izingibo. Sengiphethe logistics.
Okay, since ungathini abantu abancane, kuthiwa i-most amajita abadriver ama-avansa la Alex babhizi nabantwana beyikolo. Inyani leyo.
Obvious.
Bakwabanye abantwana beyikolo.
Obvious. Nami ngaba ne-Avanza.
Yabakwabanya. Umkwabanya. Just ama-chips ungesabi. Lalela.
Avanza.
So bale right. You know what? Because kuthiwa i-most yabo vele bayakwabanya.
Mamela, ngithi mina kuwena. Ngine Avanza. Ngilayisha abantwana besikolo.
Kwabanye. So you don't think though age matter?
Sengisindela
You think
nje.
age matter?
Age matter. As long above 17,
Doesn't matter
everything legal.
though. After 12 ki lunch.
After 12 kilos.
What the fuck? Motherfucker, you better check your goddamn.
I want to understand something though. Because of ngizwile ngawe mina ngiyakwazi ungangazi but the fact that sengikwazi ungakwazi which means khona into odume ngayo lokushini. Yabona?
Yele.
Are you dating?
Imnandi lekota.
Oh, God. You know what the crazy part about this code I told you ngakakhulu like 17 ngiyayithola cheap as long as ufika uthi ungacava uGhost ngayithola 45 rand only 45 rand nongathi uGhost mangakuthi bangakaya nge40.
Wangibuza le question ukuthi ngiyatshola.
No, I just want to I have a question. Next question. Do you think amantombazana Alex ama-type wakho ma?
Baningi.
Akhona ama-type la.
Baningi.
Utshola la Alex? Allegedly kuthiwa amantombazana se-Alex ana-aura. So bengifuna u-understand lo part uba wena do you think amantombazana se-Alex ane-aura na? Ngishaya i-face button.
Ora yani unganamali.
Aba-broke.
Ora yahlala.
Ithi ngikutshele okay baby stop.
Une ora yani unganamali.
Do you think banemali amantombazana se-Alex?
Hayi suka.
Kwafika intombazana la igama layo uthani mama yafika yathi abantwana bana-aura. Do you think yena unayi-aura na?
Angimazi.
You don't know her.
Angimazi.
Yo. She's the baddest in Alex. Double aura.
What? Where? Which Alex?
Gomorrah.
Onganya baddest. I know her Instagram ne. Mara she's not the baddest in man.
Out of 10? Out of 10?
Nyim rate out of 10.
Out of 10 though.
Chungbo.
It's okay. You know what?
She's not my typical type, so I would say
Okay, cool.
4.
Oh, 4.
Not in a bad way, Mara. She's not my type.
Aso type yakho. And yes, Dr. Ngva. Aso the wrong to menga so type yakho.
Yeah, I say type. So I'll give her a 4.
4. I have another question.
And I'm a question. Okay.
It's the chips that you know what? Let's take a break. Take a chips.
Yeah. See, Leo Pella Lekota. See.
Yeah, Pat. Okay. Imosta machita la Alex agqoka amagusha ama Lacoste athi ngicela ukuyibona fandisha i Lacoste. Do you think amachita la Alex most yabo bagqoka ama fake ama Lacoste? Ngokwazi kwakho. Or kunabantu abaziyo abashaya ama
bazojika bathi nami ngigqoka ifake. Hey.
allegedly bathi amagusha wakho kana ama paper bag. I don't know how. But I'm sure you understand lo pattern.
Exe siqale lapho.
Ndanga
mawo. IGucci akusinto engicabukayo ne.
okay.
Ngayicala ngimncane ne.
Bacala manje.
There is no, I don't see a reason for me to keep a paper bag. Uphume shop ne paper bag, thatha lento, ibhathu, uyayibeka la hlala khona, thatha paper bag e dustbin.
Uyayilahla.
Akusi flex le nto.
Uyayilahla.
Siqale, siqede, I paper bag akusi flex.
So do you think the
And I don't need to prove a point to anyone. Unenkinga nama ngitshela.
Angitshela. Usagqoka amagusha to cause ukuthola kune first.
Khona odropini ngigcoka ngama special occasion. Khona, igcoka special. Angizogcoka iGucci for ukuya la eScope ngiyahlanya.
So la bafana basa Alex bagqoka manje ukuza la escope. Bayawalka ngamagusha wabo. Do you think it's a normal thing walk ngegusha mara? I don't think you have to walk.
Mara uzobona ubani emotweni?
Kumele walk ngayo. That's a thing.
Uzobona ubani
Kumele
emotweni?
walk ngayo.
Mina personally, I think like mangigqoke kahle ne. Yo, I feel like walking, man. Everyone should see my outfit, man. Wonke umuntu
Do you
uyabona.
have a car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good thing though.
No.
Since on the motor-
I have cars, not a car.
You have cars.
Trucks included.
Ooh, you're a businessman.
Logistics.
I did one. I did one.
Don't compare me
So do you
to.
think guys they like you because of you have these cars and truck? I'm a little stick or they like you because of you?
They like me because of what I have.
Yeah. Or they like you because of you.
Bathanda into zami laba bayalama.
Imoto amantombazane Alex uchaza ukuthi bayalama.
Mantombazana nje in general ayalama.
Why do usho kanjalo? Uyangihetha because of I have sisters, you know. I don't wanna cry.
There's a saying amantombazana ayisho bathi indoda must.
You don't believe to daughter master.
Why? Because babakho couldn't.
So zamuchaza ukuthi wonke amantombazane athi indoda must obaba bahlulwa uboba.
No, khona abasethi standard angithola ukuthi ni indoda must because I can do it for myself.
Yeah.
And then khona vele laba ama hungry lion.
So do you think Alex ama 100 lion? Ba la kuma 100 lion.
Mina akuna chere ezongitshela ukuthi indoda must you can go to hell. Baba mi set a standard angizoncengana ne cherry brook.
And that's a fault yakho baba ku usebenze hard. That's not your fault. Baba banye baba bengasebenzi
I have a standard. I don't do broke girls.
To date Alex girls. Otakiwe?
Hayi mangitakiwe hayi no most of the time ngihlala ngitakiwe. Yeah ngiyajole kazi.
Oh yeah, jole kazi.
Ngiyajole kazi angithola. Mfethu baningi abochera abahle kazi mfethu.
Bahle kuthiwa imost yabo bahle but abanangqondo. That's true according to you.
Labe ngidlule kubo vele.
Abanangqondo.
Check.
Abaphilanga.
Nangqondo lento.
Acabangela esiswini.
Abacabangela eswini la. Abanangqondo nje in general. Ngeke uzogatela ukuthi angikhulumanga nawe for the whole day. I'm a busy man.
Unama cracks wena. Awashela ubabakho and that's good.
Akawashiya ngikhona baba musaphila.
Oh man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it.
Shit, I'm sorry. Allegedly, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry about that. I just wanted to say something. How much is? Don't blame me.
Ama-chips.
Ama-chips. Okay. How do you feel about the quarter? How do you feel about quarter?
How do I feel about the quarter? Hey, mnandi lo quarter. You understand now abantu bakhuluma indaba hey. Yahamba lo quarter.
No.
Khona ngifuna ukuzikhuluma mara ngizozibamba hey nginama amaningi already.
How do you feel? You know what? It's okay. Let's open up. I like an open relationship. Are you into open relationships?
Ulabo ufebe obuqala khona.
Are you believe to stumble?
Yeah.
You don't think that's fair?
Indoda is allowed to have 7 wives, 7 days a week, 7 reasons.
I don't want to try.
Leo ngevuma mina.
Leo uyavumelana naleyo.
7 girls, 7 days, 7.
What is your type? What is your type?
Yeah?
What is your type?
What is my type? Chungbo. My girlfriend.
Ooh. Describe your girlfriend.
Cute.
Lovely.
Gorgeous.
Okay. I love my girlfriend. I love you, baby. Okay, what's the level? Another man. I just for my girlfriend, you know.
Ngizomkhisa mara inkinga ish.
What's Alex? What's Alex?
Why lokhu pressa yenda ukuthi ase Alex? Hey pressa yenda ukuthi ase Alex.
Ngiyayibuzela nje intombi yakho la Alex na.
Hayi intombi yami ayihlala Alex. Ahlala nami.
Ihlala nawe.
Yeah, ahlala nami.
Okay. So since do you think udumo lakho the same or ucabanga ukukhulile?
Yenzeni?
Do you think udumo lakho lisafana naqala ngesasikhathi sakho ubusathanda amantombazana uthanda ukugroove uzahamba usathi
No, like bengathanda amantombazana. Abantu mabangibheka kuSmash Pass babona that Playboy and stuff.
Okay.
It was unintentional. It was situations. I didn't go popular because I wanted to. But because of people's actions.
You know?
Why bangicabuza bona kuSmash Pass?
Do you think okay, so do you think life can change up after why you Smash Pass then you live your life? Do you think you're still getting the same attention or things change?
I mean, what I know ukuthi igama lami line power. Whether ngu-Smash Pass or not, igama lami line power. Wherever I go, I get respect. So
igama lakho line power. So igama lakho la sokuba u-director nje because igama lakho line power. Do you think igama lakho there's igama line power like Alex?
No. Kunabantu abane power like us baba. Mara mina I know for myself but yeah.
Kuntanga zakho like in your age, do you think there's someone who have power more than you?
Yeah, bakhona. Age group yami?
Yeah,
bakhona.
That you know them or nzwana or in nabo or you mind to
ngren nabo. Khona abanye ngingazwani nabo ngoba bayaphapha mara.
Ubana abaphapha. I don't like abafana abaphaphayo. Yazi ngiyabazonda abafana abaphaphayo. You know what? Awumchaza ubani ophaphayo?
Ngeke ngimention igama yabo.
Bayazazi
bayaphapha bona ukuphapha
banezinto zabo kodwa
and for the fact ukuthi bayaphapha wena unento zakho ronas for the fact ukuthi uyaphapha ngekuhloniphe mina and my respect doesn't come easy ngahleka nayo mara ngakuhloniphi
ngiya understand mnganami
so bayaphapha
abafana base Alex
and eba few amajita la ekasi engibahloniphayo hloniphi noma ubani
awuhloniphi nobuba
hayi my respect doesn't come easy.
I saw respect ngavela uvuka sokuthiwa ubani bani siya respect
noma ngangirespect amara as long as I don't see a reason ukuthi ngirespect I don't see you so hleka sonke mara inhlonipho mele understand ukuthi ayikho and
ngiyakutrain leyo mfowethu kuba because of respect I think uyayakha uyayi-earn wena understand. Do you think people they still respect you the same or do you think things change now?
I don't care.
You don't really care. Uyiphilela impilo yakho.
I don't care. Kumele ngenze thathu about I don't care.
Or you have to change your name to I don't care.
Na yiki into abazongenza yona. Bophelela ngokukhuluma mos.
Do you think there's some guys that really have a problem with you or you just think
abakhona sinokuhlangana estradeni umuntu akubheke so nami ngimbheke ngibone ukuthi le one ifuna ukuringa mara because isquad sakhe asikho ayikho into azoyisho.
So you don't think sometimes you don't feel safe in Alex?
You don't feel safe in. Mangifuna ukuwalk anya walk. And I'm scared. Mangifuna ukuhamba ngeskate sami I scared. Ngisaba bani?
Shula bafana bakuthusa.
For ini?
And wena ulwanga namuntu yazi into kuhlungu.
Ngizongibulala ngifile mfethu.
Yeah. And I want if
mara ukungishaya khona ngeke kulungu namanga.
Awushaya.
Ukushaya mina. 1-on-1.
Bawenza ukuthi ayithrisam.
Angazi ngayenza mara ngiyakhalela yo. bafuna bayi-2
ngapha nangapha.
hayi ngapha nangapha. Omunye ulala phansi ubheka phezulu, omunye ubheka le.
Uyakwabani.
Yo,
What is the freakiest thing okwayenza bro? Wabona this is a freaky part. I strip kunebele. No, you know what? Yabani kodwa yami. I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't really like this. Nasoke ngithanda mayisoke mina. So yini freakiest thing okwayenza wathi kuna strip kunebele. Which one? And I don't like the fact that amabhinqana how do you feel about amabhinqana Alex Acholi nabo baba bethu? I don't like that. I don't like it.
Ayo baba bethu. Mara masikhuluma iqiniso ne. Intanga zethu zisase primary.
What?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, I don't think I'm part of that. I don't think
I am a type intanga zethu.
it's a primary.
Intanga zethu zise primary.
Kanjani? I understand.
Ngizojola nentanga yami so phikisana into engapheli phela.
But wahlungula phela.
Ngidlungula bani? Ngidlungula bani?
Yahlungula ntwana yami phela ngeke phela kana ngeke phela. Let's be honest, bro.
Obvious. Asilinga mina.
So manje wena uzama ukuthi uya waiting for umntana kwe primary right now.
No,
you in stand by.
No, I'm not waiting for umntana se primary ne. Mara makungenzeka ukuthi maybe sengihrodi no nginento zami ngihlangana no Cherry.
Do you know umntana se primary unangakhi this year dog?
Nela, ngihlangana no Cherry use
I don't feel
college.
safe. I'm still a virgin. I don't think I like I don't think to be next to you is safe. So how do you feel? So you think wena ukulinda abafana abantwana base primary is the right thing?
Yabona, you are misinterpreting what I'm saying. Ngithi kuwe mina lo muntu lo manje obvious usasemncane so ngeke ngimbheke in that way. Manje le moment aqala sekathanda izinto.
So uyayisupporta labafana abalala nabantwana besikolweni ama grade 8 yabathu wathu. Do you think uyayisupporta le nto?
Hayi grade 8 is too young yo.
Hayibo, not wena lo. You can't judge when we are waiting for primary. You can't judge.
I'm waiting. Angitshela nabo I'm waiting ukuthi bafikele kuba ma grade 11 12. Staba ngeke.
Umntwana na grade 12, what grade 11 nangapha?
Nda grade 11 na 17.
How old are you?
I'm turning 21.
Damn, bro.
4 years gap dog.
4 years is a lot.
What? Kuyafana musi intanga zethu azinangqondo.
Intanga sena sinangqondo.
Azinangqondo.
So do you think amantamba se Alex ajolela indlala or ajolela uthando? How do you feel about that?
Balambe. Ba hungry.
Be hungry like
Hungry lion.
Mara malfatti jaw. Mara ke ariye, ratsa ke train ariye.
So you say amantombazane most stable like Alex they are hungry like a lion.
Balambela.
Yo.
Ba hungry.
Okay.
Melo bafake kule kota le maybe ama standards azo. Ngizona. Blind le kota yakhulumisana le blind.
So that is got I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry.
Don't cry. Talk to me. Keep them coming.
Into kuhlungu ngeAlex yafa kancane ngiyabona abantu bechange abantu ngiyabona abantwana abancane sebezibiza ngabosisi ngiyabona abantwana abancane sebesejuice. I don't feel safe anymore. Lalela ngifuna understand.
Abangisejuice mina.
Ngifuna understand something. Do you think I'm a virgin asekhona la indawo? Oh,
ngagcina nini okuhlangana no Cherry ngitshela ukuthi virgin.
So you don't think Alex akhona a virgin? No.
Emina labantu bahoni labo.
Holy Spirit.
Ngiyavuma ngiyayithanda iparaiseso ne. Hayi mara labo Cherry bahoni labo.
Seriously? So you say most about I say available puppy. But I know some guys they are virgins though. I have friends. I have friends.
Uvulile inyawo wena poporo wabona uthi virgin.
No. Guys, shout out to my friends they are virgins. Love you guys for life.
Uvulile ufakile umthondo. Wabona yanga fit.
No.
Then how do you know it's a virgin?
Because I trust them, you know.
Suka.
I have sisters, I have cousins, you know, they are virgins.
If you meet a girl and it says it's a virgin, it's lying.
Okay guys, I think now it's going to the end of the video. Bakuthola kanjani abekufuna mngana?
Bangithola njani mabangifuni? Onenkinga nami angifonele. Mangana number yami. He or she doesn't know me well enough to have a problem with me. Either way, onenkinga still in the IG, it's director itts.director. Send the message lapho.
Send a message lapho.
Ngayi kuma comments mina nginisabi mina yo comment ngikhomenta.
Okay, full understand something la because of Alex bathi ugcwele kakhulu vele ushayile ukwabanyele nje ngoba ushilo uthi yafu yayo soyikwabanyele vele. Full understand something la. Njengomkwabanye wase Alex okwabanyele. Full understand one thing. Just one thing.
Yeah.
Ama order yangena bafethu Zanzo order, Zanzo order. Yabo lo. Full understand something. Do you think labantwana obakwabanyele uyayiregreta bona uyayisola yini
bakwa 100% baba. Yo. Nabanye abantu nje bengifisa ukuthi yo ngathi angihlangananga nabo. Abanye futhi it was under the influence of alcohol. Kumele ngibiye kutshwala. Lento yami uthi ngihlala ngidakiwe. Hey.
So
antana yabazi.
Akhuluma lo wayizona.
Umuphi?
Lo wayizona akakhuluma.
Khona umkwabanyele izolo. Ubani umkwabanyele izolo?
Hayi asikhuluma ka.
You know what, man? Share, subscribe, like. I think if you want part 2, comment below. And if you want this, you understand? If you would just say direct, comment below. If you're from TikTok, just say XA. You understand? If you're from IG, XA. But yeah,
Mnandi lekota.
mnan lekota ne.
Yahamba lekota.
100 mnan. Perfect. Like, love you, okay? Just subscribe, share, subscribe. Comment over the camera and all the chips. Out of here, love you too much.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.